Development mindset shift. Transitioning from AI users to AI creators by demystifying development, clarifying build versus buy decisions, and introducing APIs and custom solution thinking, even with zero coding experience. So, let's get going. Imagine this: you are using AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva, and suddenly you have a brilliant idea. What if I could create a simple tool that does this automatically for me or my clients? You get excited, you search on YouTube, you start exploring platforms like Replit, Zapier, Bubble, Lovable, Bolt, and then bam, overwhelm hits. APIs, webhooks, JSON, code editors, variables, authentication. You slam your laptop shut and tell yourself, I am not a developer. I guess I'll just stick to using pre-built tools. And this is the moment where most AI entrepreneurs stop. Not because they are lazy, but because they have never been shown the right mindset to approach development, especially without a computer science background. So let's fix that. You don't need to write code to build solutions. I'm not a coder. I am myself not a developer. I'm a chartered accountant, somebody from finance background and doing all of this. You need a development mindset. That means knowing how to translate ideas into logic, understanding when to build, when to buy, and when to combine tools. And most importantly, believing that you can. Because when you shift from I can build to I can assemble, you unlock the real wealth of AI. Let's unpack the three mindset shifts that will help you think and build like a non technical developer. So, from I am not technical to I am a solutions architect. Let's bust a myth right now. Development is not equal to writing code. Today's AI landscape gives you no code platforms like Zapier, Glide, Software, Tally, Lovable, Bolt, and so many more. Visual builders like Bubble, Webflow, Make, N8N, etc. Smart AI programmers like GitHub, Copilot, Replit AI, Cursor AI. So your job is not to code everything. It is to think in systems and consequences. What should happen first? What should happen next? What is the trigger, the action, and the result? You are not building an app, you are designing a chain reaction of smart tools. We call this no code logic design. So, from tool creator to custom solution creator. Most learners use AI tools like this: prompt, paste, repeat. Copy other workflows. Frustrated when things don't work together. Now that's user thinking. Let's shift to creator thinking. Ask, what's the problem I want to solve? What parts can I automate or simplify? What tools already do this? Can I connect them through APIs or no code? So think of yourself as an AI chef. You don't grow the ingredients, you just know how to mix them to create something powerful. And the last one is understand APIs, the hidden superpower. Let's simplify the term API. API is equal to a set of rules that lets one software talk to another. Still confused? So think of APIs like a restaurant waiter. You, the user, makes a request. I would like a large pizza. The waiter, the API, takes that to the kitchen, the backend. The kitchen makes the pizza and gives it back to the waiter. The waiter delivers it to your table. You don't need to build the kitchen. You just need to know how to order from it properly. Tools like OpenAI API, Notion API, or Google Sheets API give you ready-made kitchens. And with platforms like Replit, Zapier, or Make, You can connect them without writing a single line of code. Awesome? Okay. So build versus buy. How do you decide that? Now, this is where real creators think smart and not hard. Ask yourself, question, does an existing tool solve 80% of it? If yes, then buy or use. Is your idea specific to a niche need? If yes, build or customize. Sorry. Next question. Is it for internal use only? If yes, prototype quickly. Next question. Can you white label or resell it? If yes, build strategically. So start with minimal or minimum lovable solutions. Not the perfect tool, just the simplest versions that works. So an exercise that I have for you is custom solution opportunity assessment. What is this? Download the worksheet from the resources tab and answer these 5 questions. What is one recurring task I or my client repeats weekly? What's one process that could be streamlined? Which tools am I already using that could be connected? What would a 3-step automation of that process look like? Who would benefit from this solution besides me? The goal here is to generate one idea that you could automate or build. Now, pause here and write your answers. This becomes your first mini development project. Now, reinforce and next steps. So you don't need to be a coder. You need to be a systems designer. APIs lets you connect tools like Lego bricks. Building is equal to assembling existing tech in smarter ways. Your value is not in code, it's in your ability to see problems and design custom solutions. So, do not forget to download and complete the solutions opportunity worksheet. Research one API or no-code tool you are curious about. Join the community thread. What's your first solution idea? Post your top 3 questions about APIs or integrations. Now, but don't worry, we are not becoming developers. I haven't become a developer yet. We are becoming AI-powered builders who can just speak enough tech to unlock massive leverage. Let's build something big.